Some creators are reaching millions of new viewers just by changing one thing, the language of their videos. No new recording, no studios and no expensive voice actors. Just AI dubbing. With the help of AI dubbing, a single video can now be translated and dubbed into multiple languages while still sounding natural and human with proper lip sync. While most of the content creators didn't get views just because their language barrier, your content can be connected to anyone in the world just by using a proper AI dubbing. And the best part? I'm using a free AI video localization agent. This is not CapCut. This is not just basic translation. This is a powerful AI tool that can completely localize your videos, including voice, lip sync, and natural expressions, into multiple languages automatically. If you are a content creator, marketer, educator, or YouTuber, this video can literally multiply your views and revenue without creating new videos. Today, I'm going to show you this amazing AI video agent, so make sure you pay very close attention. And without wasting any time, let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is called WeMeg AI is the #1 AI video localization agent. It automatically translates, dubs, and localizes your videos for global markets. You can even use your own voice with the voice cloning feature, which is absolutely amazing. This is the only platform where you get multiple powerful tools in one place, all working automatically. First of all, click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Then click on Try for free, and it will bring you to the dashboard. On this side, you'll see all the features. It provides video translator, audio translator, transcription, text-to-speech, with lots of free AI voices, including the voice clone feature. I've already explained these features in my previous video. In this video, I'm going to focus specifically on the translation agent. So click on it, and it will take you here. It looks just like an LLM model interface. You can upload the video you want to dub, or you can select one of these sample videos. I'm going to select this one and add a prompt for this video. For now, I'm not enabling lip sync. I'll add that later. If you want, you can enable it from the beginning as well. Then click Run, and it will start analyzing the video along with your instructions. After that, it will show a task summary. You just need to confirm it, or, if you want to make any changes, you can edit it there. Everything looks perfect, so I'll confirm and click Run. Now the task has started. You can track the progress in the task center. As you can see, it will take around 3 to 5 minutes. First, I'm going to show you the original video, and then I'll show you the dubbed version.
Mr. Beast shares his best YouTube advice all the way from title and thumbnail secrets to growing a channel on YouTube.
It's much easier to get 5 million views on one video than 50,000 views on 100 videos.
He also reveals how he's able to hook in viewers in his videos. MB partage ses meilleurs conseils YouTube, des secrets, des titres et miniatures à la croissance d'une chaîne sur YouTube.
C'est beaucoup plus facile d'obtenir 5 millions de vues sur une vidéo que 50 000 vues sur 100 vidéos.
Il révèle aussi comment il arrive à accrocher les spectateurs dans ses vidéos et ce qu'il ferait s'il recommençait à zéro.
Quel conseil te donnerais-tu quand tu as commencé?
Tes vidéos sont nulles.
As you can see, it perfectly matches the original video. Before WeMeg, you needed a big studio and multiple people to dub videos. But now, you can do everything directly from your laptop. To download the video, simply click on Download. You'll see multiple options available. I'm downloading the dubbed version. If you feel the video isn't exactly how you want it, just click on Edit. It will open the full dashboard, where everything is completely customizable. You can change the dialogues as needed. Add or remove subtitles with multiple styles. Add multiple speakers in a single video. Enable realistic lip sync. Use the timeline to manually edit different parts of the video. The best part? You can control all of this with a single prompt. For example, I'm using this same video and writing in the prompt section. I want to dub this video in Spanish with realistic lip sync. Then click Run. After that, it's asking for the video scenario. I'm selecting vlog video. Review the task summary, confirm it, and the process will start. And here is the final result.
Hi, it's Saturday 9 p.m. and 17th January. Look at the exact date and time here. Nowadays, everyone is making money with AI, but most people don't know how to create a realistic influencer.
Hola, es sábado 9 de la noche y 17 de enero. Mirad la fecha y hora exactas aquí. Hoy en día todo el mundo está ganando dinero con la IA, pero la mayoría de la gente no sabe cómo crear un influencer realista.
As you can see, the video is perfect. The lip sync is accurate, and the dubbing sounds so natural that no one can tell it's not the original voice. Just imagine the kind of content you can create using this AI agent. The possibilities are endless. You are only limited by your imagination. They do offer a free plan with some limitations. But if you want to create content without restrictions, you can check out their subscription plans. The pricing is very reasonable, and if you choose the annual plan, you can get up to 60% discount. I'll provide the link in the description. Go check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.